of the common replacement parts for the Jet Industrial Combination Belt and 12-inch disc finishing machine is the V-belt. Once you've disconnected the power, start by removing the disc table by loosening the lock knobs on each side. Remove the belt guard by unscrewing each side of the guard and lifting up and away from the machine. Next, remove the motor access door by removing the 4 access door bolts. Once you have access to the motor, loosen the motor bolts to allow the motor to slide up and down as needed. Slide the motor up and remove the belt from the motor shaft pulley. Next, unscrew the 4 base-mounted bolts and move the top of the machine onto a table or bench next to your work area. Remove the 2 bolts underneath the machine casting that secure the disc guard to the casting. Through the hole in the disc guard casting, locate and remove the 2 set screws that secure the drive disc to the arbor. Slide the disc and guard off of the machine together. The V-belt can now be removed. Replace with a new belt, slide the disc and guard back into position, and reinstall the disc guard bolts underneath the table. Place the machine back onto its base and secure it with the 4 mounting bolts. Install the belt over the bottom pulley. Once you've tensioned the belt, you can retighten the 4 motor bolts, reattach the disc table, and install the motor access door to complete your V-belt installation. Another common replacement part is the trunnion with scale. Simply remove the 2 bolts, remove the trunnion, and replace with a new trunnion. Reattach the disc table with the lock knobs. To replace the side guard, first remove the lock knob and top cover. Unscrew the bolts to remove the side guard. Replace with the new side guard, reattach bolts, and then place the top cover and tighten the lock knob. Jet offers a simple way to order all of the replacement parts you might need for your industrial combination belt and 12-inch disc finishing machine. You can find replacement parts on our website at jettools.com by clicking on the Parts Store. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.